After say court etimi ema chairman Wontumi a dodoɔ no afrɛ no Bernard Antwi Boasiako a ɔno yɛ the regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party court in etimi maa no 20 years in prison with hard labor. Now of course, we are the very first thing Oduani Ebeshe NPP office said the very first number a press conference, and indeed Omutimi odi press conference or more headquarters no they na odi press conference name as usual your general secretary your friend Justin Frimpong Kodua mbɛkyerɛ mu adeɛ nti a ɔmo ne court no ɛnyɛ adwene ɛne some reasons ɔmo hu ne sɛ ɛyɛ politically inclined ɛna ɛma that decision by mesero we your packages don't subscribe ya no me subscribe to me so no more the answer to me ahyɛ ama foforɔ nso nsa etimi aka bi ma yɛnkɔ ne yɛnkɔhwɛ MP4 a press conference immediately after court etimi ejeli omo Ashanti regional chairman.
Good afternoon to all of you. The New Patriotic Party has become aware of the judgment delivered today by the High Court, the case involving our Ashanti regional chairman, Mr. Bernard Antwi Boasiako, popularly known as Chairman Wontumi. Indeed, we consider the decision of the court as amounting to political imprisonment. Indeed, Chairman Wontumi is a political prisoner. We address you today with profound disappointment, but also with an unwavering commitment to the rule of law, constitutional democracy, and the pursuit of justice. While we respect the authority of our courts, respect for the judiciary does not require silence in the face of a judgment that is fundamentally flawed. Our constitution guarantees every citizen the right to disagree with judicial decisions and to seek redress through the appellate process. That is precisely what we intend to do as a political party. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our considered view that Chairman Wontumi has been convicted in circumstances where there was no evidence at all to support a conviction in respect of the offense for which he had been convicted. It was never disputed that Chairman Wontumi lawfully acquired his mineral concession. It was never disputed that he lawfully acquired his mineral concession. That fact was established and accepted for the court. The central question was whether that concession had been assigned or transferred in violation of the law. It is our respected view that no evidence was adduced before the court establishing any such assignment or transfer of mineral rights by Chairman Wontumi. The prosecution could not produce any evidence to show that Wontumi had assigned his mineral rights. Instead, the conviction rested on assumptions and inferences which, in our view, could not amount to proof beyond reasonable doubt. That is why we firmly believe that his conviction is a travesty of justice and has to be overturned on appeal. Fellow Ghanaians, equally disturbing is the broader context within which this prosecution has taken place. A troubling pattern is emerging in our country, a pattern where the government appears eager to shield its own while relentlessly pursuing perceived political opponents who have done no wrong. Today, the John Mahama-led NDC government may seek to celebrate this conviction as evidence of its commitment to fight against illegal mining. Where there is evidence of galamsey on a large scale engaged and supervised by leading members of John Mohammed's government. We reject that narrative entirely. And I repeat, the New Patriotic Party rejects that narrative entirely. They think that the conviction of Chairman Wontumi will be the trophy to appease the Ghanaian people for their failures. This is no trophy. The Ghanaian people cannot fail to notice that while the political opponents who have done no wrong are being aggressively persecuted, questions remain unanswered regarding individuals associated with his party and government who have themselves been publicly linked to illegal mining activities. Indeed, the president himself has acknowledged that persons in his administration are involved in galamsey. What concrete action has followed those admissions? Who are those members of the president's party that are engaged in galamsey of which the president knows of? What has become of the petition submitted to Economic and Organized Crime Office, EOCO, seeking an investigation into allegations concerning Mr. Joseph Jamin, the NDC national organizer, and Abanga Yakubu, vice chairman of the NDC, asking these questions? The president, what has become of those investigations? What has happened to Honorable Mohammed Yakubu, NDC MP for Afano South East, and his DC who was sacked from a chief's palace after they alleged that he was heavily involved in galamsey in their traditional area? What happened to the NDC MP for Aworin, Honorable Oscar Ofori Labi, who was accused by the chiefs and the people of Aworin, as well as Ghana's coalition against galamsey, for engaging in galamsey? Why has the nation not witnessed the same level of urgency and determination in those matters? Justice cannot be selective. And I repeat, justice cannot be selective. The fight against illegal mining cannot become credible only when it targets political opponents in respect of whom evidence of wrongdoing does not exist, while overlooking allegations involving others, especially from the president's own party. Ladies and gentlemen, we also wish to state that Ghana faces far greater than political persecution at a time when our nation is grappling with growing security threats, the devastating impact of illegal mining on our cocoa farmers and farming communities and the areas owned by farmers, the government's inadequate response to recent flooding across the country, and the increasing menace of terrorism within the sub-region. Ghanaians expect leadership that demonstrates urgency, competence, and an unwavering commitment to protecting lives, livelihoods, and national security. No government should attempt to divert public attention from those pressing national concerns through selective prosecutions designed to create the appearance of success. Finally, let me assure all members of the New Patriotic Party and the good people of Ghana that Chairman Wontumi is not alone. There is no justification for the judgment since the judge obviously ignored clear evidence exonerating Wontumi. The New Patriotic Party stands firmly with him. Our legal team has already commenced the necessary steps to challenge his judgment through the appellate process. The NPP considers Wontumi a political prisoner. The NPP considers Wontumi a political prisoner. The NPP as a political party considers Wontumi a political prisoner. Thank you very much. May God bless our homeland, Ghana. Yɛafrɛ mo aba ha. Yɛpɛ sɛ Ghana ne amansa nyinaa ehu sɛ ɛnɛ judge a ɔtena ase a odi Ashanti regional chairman Chairman Bernard Antwi Boasiako asem no atemu a odi aba no atemu a chia na amaye nyina ya hu se sabi amayosem na atemu afo no woye ya we won se yadutum se Ghana emra na ese ye adwuma na so emra ne nkyere se sabi obubu aten na chia me nka wasem asema eda court na nim enne court ni buaye no ne tenten ni tetia ene se obi eno a owo prosecution ho attorney general office ho etimi ka asem ema ne to asum se chema Wontumi sabi no ni nkrata se obetu sabi gold o ya sase so eno enya ade a court no edi achinie enti se chema Wontumi no okrata eman ho kwan se obetu efom agudie asama court no eka ene se omugina so a omode chema Wontumi akotre aban kukom ne se omose chema Wontumi krata na okra na emrem no ho kwan se obekra sa krata no ode sa krata no ama obi se onfa nkoye adwuma abra lance minister ama approval sabi enche se Wontumi okoye galamsey efise title na okra no na emrem na edimo boni aban ne kaso aye ne se o se chema Wontumi de ne krata ma obi akoye adwuma aban na amprenso na so so court no prosecution man chere preference ampa adanse o chere se chema Wontumi de ne krata na asase ama obi se ofa nkoye adwuma aban no amprenso prosecution no o man chere judge wodi asem no ese amu ba ye be di adanse na asem o mo kan no eno no do tunsi enini a ogina so a o ka se chema Wontumi edifo eno ne mmem ye karo circumstantial evidence na so much man prove beyond reasonable doubt a back criminal prosecution prosecution na se court na edigina so ka asem no obi asem a kan ye enu nti na judge na gina so a o ka so de chema Wontumi akoto aban no kukum ye NPP party no ye kan se o man peni mahama se o wo papa se illegal mining e friend galamsey no obeko ho na so betu ho esa ene wa bemu enkofo bebre wo ma wa ukwa di tum se omuto na so omo ye galamsey o ma pene de Ghana ko busa ne se sa asem no akosi sen o party fo no na omo ye no ehu asem no akosi sen na akoye se o ma pene ni NDC awon haria assembly fa opposition for no omo edeko na so omo tu hwasa no ene sa ohare ni bi na assembly for NDC for ho a omo tu sa asa eko for the petition come ayoko for NDC or national organizer you say ya me ho ene omo vice chairman Abanga Yakubu ho se omo ye galamsey omo apeni ni NDC for ebusa mo se assembly no akosi se uye ni fiwa NDC mraso bejani owo afa no south east the friend Mohammed Yakubu ohine bi pam no free na himfie enam se oye galamsey hu no yebuso ma pani se akosise oba awowin MP or NDC MP or friend honorable Oscar Ofori-Labi ekwo bi friend Ghana coalition against galamsey ese papa no oye galamsey yebuso ma pani ni NDC fo ne se saa no mani nyina no akwa posisen before saa akonya we so maka to man peni se esema ehia Ghana fo hwese obetu hu sa no eno hu sa na otu na emom no opponent ena wa na adwen se obetu nani ade asi omo so koko farmers fo esu sabi enche ye ena nso eyi fa amanfo omo nkran ha ena regis ni bi aka Omapeni ka wodi ya wodi prosecute opponent no kasa wodi ni bi no fa ko hye sa ntokwa we mu se be ya flag no nsem no edi nsem wo mem ha Na de me ka ko wie ne se me share titafo me hye mo boss NPP Chairman Wontumi agya ne mu. Me ka kire mo se sebi ene ehia no NPP legal team for no ya ka kire mo se omo file appeal no mo challenge decision a judge no e di aba. Na me wie no me pese wiase nyina ati ase se Chairman Wontumi abanko koma le da kotwe no e ya mayosem sebi enye boni bi no akwakoye. Oye political prisoner. Amayosem ti ene na koto abanko kom. E ya mayosem ti ana ndisi aban ena koto abanko kom. Na yakopo oti ase no eni se ebrese mo no kre eba bedet. Media mu nyina amase.
And that was it. So what to me, I jemre a free assassin a day aqua every year. I may say, Kyle be Sabusia, where your packages and subscribe. No more DM subscribe button. So no, I share a map for and so and to answer it to me. I can be Macramo.